Okay, so let me show you all of my ABs and sparklers are in Elizabeth Ward containers. However, I have them all over the place right now because I ran out of containers. And I have been waiting because they have been out of stock everywhere. While I was gone at the retreat, it came in. Then I came home to baby, couldn't touch anything, and now I need to organize and start baby proofing my little craft area, which part of it is putting away the sparklers and ABs. And so that's what led to this video. Before I put them away, I want to show you a new product special from DP with Sparklers. Let's flip this camera around and let's sparkle and shine. Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and look at my goodies. I've got to show you, I went shopping there's stickers. I went shopping at DP with Sparklers, and I got a sticker, and I'm so excited. All right, so Tima, aka Tina, sorry for the earthquake, she is continuously getting new colors in, and I'm very excited. I'm up making sure I have a lot of squares because some stuff I have now are squares, and so most of this is square ABs. So I got some 414s, and what an AB is Aurora Borealis, and it's just this coating that goes on top to add to the sparkle, and I compare it all the time to the difference between like a normal sparkle and a sequence sparkle. So I got 413, 414, I got 453. Most of these are like the bland colors. This is one of my favorites. It's the cream 712, so I got 2 of them. I use this a lot to help add depth. Which one is this? This is not an AB, I don't think. Nope, this is a normal. I use a lot of 762 because that's a gray. There's 775, 816, 3072, and 747. So most of these are kind of those filler colors to add a little depth. I also purchased a 2-placer because I haven't used a 2-placer before. And Tina now has stainless steel. So I purchased a 2-placer, which I'm super excited. I love my 4-placer, but I thought, let's try the 2-placer. Now, at the retreat, when she gave me these, I was like, oh my goodness, these are beautiful. These will help me add some depth to some of the stuff that I'm doing. She also said, you know what? Surprise, surprise. I now have square square crystals. I'm like, what? So I need to put these away so that you can see what I'm about to show you. I was blown away. And I went a little overboard, you know, and I think I went a little overboard because it was right there. I could take them home. I didn't have to pay shipping, and fly away. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. So 3812, those are gorgeous. 550, 209. She has 20 colors right now. I think I got 15. So I still have some more left for my collection. But I had to stop at some point and say, hold the fort. Hold the fort. Look, they have frosted. Tia, frosted. So beautiful. Okay. So these are all the different colors that I got. I also love this blue. Look at this blue. It's like a periwinkle meets baby blue. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Oh, I got 18. Okay. Got 18, so there must be just a couple colors I don't have, but that's okay. I can always throw them in on my next order. So you can see all the different styles. Now, I brought this to the retreat. Pig mermaids! And sometimes you just gotta do things for fun. And so I'm continuing to work on the piggies. And I can't wait to use some of these greens in the bodice of the mermaid. I can't wait because it's just gonna sparkle out, sparkle out. Can't wait. So you will see me using these crystals very soon on the little piggies. And I can't wait. They're gonna sing, and they're pig sirens. I don't remember where I got this. I have to go look at my unboxing, but it's just so much fun to do something that's fun, right? It's a little bit different, and that's what I did. So check out DP with Sparklers, because they have sparklers, they have ABs, square and round, they have crystals, square and round, and sparklers are a different style of drill or diamond. Check those out. You cannot believe the sparkle on them. I just got some new storage that I'm going to use for these crystals. It's going to be phenomenal, and can't wait. Can't wait. Where am I going to store all this stuff? Look how pretty. Woo. Nope, they're all mine. Can't take them. All mine. All mine. Okay, so guys, I can't wait. I'm going to go jump on my little piggy and get it drilled away. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.